So you've been named the PR, the personal representative of an estate. Somebody who you cared about and who trusted you has passed away. And it's your job to potentially sell the house. It can be overwhelming. So just as an introduction, my name is Zach Entwistle. For the last 23 years, I've been selling real estate full-time with a specialty in high conflict divorce, estates and probates, and luxury sales. So with that being said, there are a couple of key elements that I would say to do right out of the gate. Number one, you want to secure the home. You want to make sure that locks are changed, that it's, windows are, those little dowel rods that you can buy from the hardware store. And just to make sure that nobody can come in, take valuables, take sentimental things. When somebody passes away, you don't know how many people have the key. So it's really critical that the home gets secured with new locks. Okay. Number two, you want to call the insurance company and make sure that they know the home is vacant. This is critical. If you don't, and enough time has elapsed, if there were to be a fire, if somebody were to get hurt on the property, the insurance company can just deny the claim. So I want you to be aware it will cost a couple $100 more a month, but I had a client where it was an estate, there was a fire that happened. They had followed my advice of telling the insurance company that it was vacant, and it was like a $500,000 claim that got paid out. Okay, so critical is make sure the insurance company knows that the home is vacant and that it's documented. Number three, I would say have an options meeting with a realtor. It's really easy to think, I'm just gonna sell it to one of those we buy ugly houses, investors, you get the calls from investors. When somebody's passed away, I know that your phone's gonna blow up. I think it's important to have an options meeting with a realtor who does a lot of work in the estate, probate, guardianship world to just talk, because it might make sense to sell it as is, but a lot of times it makes sense to empty it and to inspect it and to take care of, at least get bids on major systems. I do sell homes as is with active roof leaks, and I sell homes fixed up. So just know that there's a whole spectrum of how we can solve this problem for you. There are more steps, and if you want to just go ahead and comment steps in the comments below, then I'm happy to get that over to you. I'm also happy to just set up some time to chat. Again, you have a lot on your plate, not just the house, but there's other heirs potentially, there's your own grieving feelings, there's stuff to do with the bank, there's stuff to do with the attorney. It can be overwhelming. So we're here as a resource. If I can help out in any way, please reach out. Have a great day.